Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to find other users on Cookpad. If you haven't installed the app on your phone, just find it on the Google Play Store. I already installed the app, so I'm going to open it first. Okay, so this is the homepage and you can find inspiring recipes from many good cook. But if you want to search a user, just click on the search column at the top and then type in the name. For example, I want to find my friend named Andrea, and then find friends. Okay, here yes, you can see the nickname and also the username or the name of the user on Cookpad, starting with Andrea. Okay, if you find your friend and then you want to follow them, just click on the follow button right here. Okay, so just like that, that is how you can find more users on the Cookpad apps. If you thought this video is helpful, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.